Hi, my name is Josh, and I'll be your presenter in today's video. When trading in Forex, stocks, commodities, or any other market, you need a broker. The need for brokers is due to security exchanges. Exchanges will only accept orders from clients or firms who are members of the exchange. Brokers provide this service and are often paid in multiple ways by charging clients commissions, spreads, and fees. If you type trading brokers into Google, you'll get hit by a ton of results showing multiple different providers. And when you type in best trading brokers, you'll get dozens of results, each from different websites claiming that their brokerage is the best, when really they're just promoting the broker to make a commission. Opening an account with any old brokerage that isn't established or regulated could wipe out your entire balance. So, how can you find a good broker? Well, after months of testing, comparing, and analysing data, we've come up with a list of the best brokers available online today. The first on our list is Etoro. With over 20 million users, Etoro has become one of the most used brokers around the world. Approved in over 140 countries, you can trade and invest in stocks, ETFs, Forex, indices, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies. You can invest in over 800 plus stocks with 0% commission charged. Buy, sell, or store Bitcoin and many other cryptos using Etoro's platform, with spreads ranging from 0.75 to 3%. Etoro is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the USA Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, the British FCA, and the Australian Securities Investment Commission. Etoro also provides an exclusive service where you have the option to copy successful traders. Their patented technology automatically copies the selected trading portfolio performances. For customer support, Etoro offers a ticket-based system, with an average 1 to 2 day response time, designed to handle all customer and visitor inquiries. So, what are the pros and cons to using Etoro? The pros. You can copy successful traders, zero commission charged on trades, regulated in America, Britain, Europe, and Australia. Cons. High spreads. A $500 minimum deposit, withdrawal and inactivity fees, known for long support response times due to their large customer base. Number 3, Trading 212, the fastest growing broker and best for beginners. Trading 212 is one of the fastest growing brokers with over 1 million active users. Since launching their app, they've had 15 million downloads. Becoming the most downloaded brokerage app in the UK and Germany, their concept was to create a more user-friendly platform for beginner traders. You can sign up for free and start with a £50,000 demo account before depositing real money. Founded in 2004 and based in London, the United Kingdom, you can trade with over 10,000 instruments, which include stocks, currencies, indices, energies, cryptos, and commodities. 0% commission is charged on every lot trade. However, holding trades overnight will result in a charge each day until the position is closed. Spreads are on average 1.4 pips on the most traded instruments. 0.7% is charged per deposit amount until you have deposited more than the £2,000 limit. Regulated in the UK by the British Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA, your account funds are kept in a segregated account and are protected by the FSCS for up to £85,000. In Europe, Trading 212 is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. So, what are the pros and cons to using Trading 212? The pros. With over 11,000 reviews, Trading 212 has a score of 4.2 out of 5 on Trustpilot, coming in at third amongst other brokers. They've been voted the best for beginners. Over 10,000 available instruments to trade with. Zero commission charged on trades. Funds are protected by the FSC. Minimum deposit to trade is just £1 and 24/7 online customer support is provided. Cons. Trading 212 does not allow clients from the USA to sign up with their brokerage. MetaTrader or CTrader cannot be integrated as they use their own chart platform, suited for more mobile traders. Number 2, Pepperstone, the most regulated broker, ranked best for protection. Pepperstone could easily compete for the number 1 spot on our list of best brokers, offering tight spreads, great customer support, and the best protection for your funds. Established since 2010 and based in Melbourne, Australia, they have more than 57,000 clients in 65 countries. You can trade Forex, indices, commodities, equities, shares, and cryptocurrencies from over 1,000 plus instruments. Pepperstone offers low fees for account holders. They charge an average commission fee of $3.78 per lot trade on Forex pairs, also offering no charges on deposits, withdrawals, and account inactivity. Traders can choose the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader platforms via desktop or mobile, allowing clients to trade anywhere. Praised for their award-winning 24-hour, 5 days per week customer support, you can contact them by a free telephone line, live chat, and email. Their best feature is undoubtedly protection. Impressively regulated by multiple top-tier conduct authorities, including the FCA, ASIC, Cyprus Securities Exchange Commission, DFSA Dubai, and German regulators BaFin. The pros and cons of using Pepperstone. Pros. Voted best for protection, Pepperstone has a score of 4.4 out of 5 on Trustpilot from over 900 customers. Coming in at second with an excellent review score, great customer support, $0 deposit required. It works with MetaTrader 4, 5, and CTrader. Cons. Pepperstone does not accept US clients. Traders are charged commission fees on trade lots. 78% of traders lose money with Pepperstone. They offer a smaller amount of tradable instruments compared with other brokers. And number 1 is IC Markets, the most popular broker, best for spreads and Forex. A leading Australian brokerage with over 150,000 clients worldwide, they were founded back in 2007 and are based in Sydney. IC have grown on to be one of the largest and most popular brokers, having one of the highest trading volumes, reaching a monthly volume of just under $1 trillion. Yes, trillion with a T. 1,780 plus tradable instruments are available, with over 1,600 stocks and 60 plus FX currency pairs, 22 commodities, 10 cryptocurrencies, and much more. Spreads range from around 0.1 to 0.3 pips, with an average of $7 fee per standard lot trade. IC charges 0% commission on deposits, withdrawals, and any inactivity. IC Markets are considered one of the safest Forex brokers in the market today. Regulated by top-tier Australian Securities and Investments Commission, as well as the Cyprus Securities Exchange Commission and the FSA. So, what are the pros and cons to using IC Markets? Pros. IC Markets has a 4.8 out of 5 score on Trustpilot from over 12,000 customers. This ranks as the highest review score for any brokerage. They offer the lowest spreads on the most instruments. MetaTrader 4 and 5 can be integrated. Fast order executions of just under 40 milliseconds, as well as great customer support experience according to most users. Cons. Minimum deposit required to open an account is $200. They are not regulated in the UK. IC is suited to more experienced or intermediate traders. So there you have it, the best brokers around to trade the markets with. You can find the links to all the brokers mentioned in the video down below. If you decide to open an account and start trading, be sure to subscribe to our channel and look out for any future content that may help you along the way.